and I had been fortunate enough to come to Indore right after my engineering. They have almost eaten this mountain. Can you see that? Okay, so I got two situations.
मैं तो बस इनको यहाँ हॉस्पिटल है ना, इनका हॉस्पिटल पे ड्रॉप करके आ रहा हूँ बस।
अच्छा, चलो फिर मैं
5 मिनट लगेंगे,
अनलोड करता हूँ जब तक।
आप अंदर।
Hey YouTube, we are starting from Shivpuri and almost 125 kilometers away from Gwalior, and today I will reach Gwalior back, and this chapter 1 of my India ride will be over. I will be giving more updates on this chapter and will be officially ending it with a detailed video, but for now let's hit the road. So here we are, starting our last day of chapter 1 of India ride. Day 36, and this is Akhilesh Bhargav, my junior. Say hi to the people, man.
Hello.
We had a gala time yesterday and did lot of talking because he's one of the motivator behind my YouTube journey, which I started recently. Yesterday we stayed in Tarun Residency. It's a good hotel. If you are coming to Shivpuri, you can stay here. And what is there to see in Shivpuri?
A lot of things like the national park, Madhav National Park,
Right.
Kuno National Park,
Right.
and the tigers coming, cheetah already here.
And Chanderi is nearby, so
Very
one can
nearby,
make a halt here and then go to Chanderi, है ना?
Chanderi as well.
Cool. चल अखिलेश, टेक केयर, है ना?
You too.
बाकी करते बात
Nice
करते,
ride.
है ना?
Enjoy.
थैंक यू भाई। ठीक है दादा। चल दिए हम शिवपुरी से। शिवपुरी is also a district. It's not a very small city. It's not a small city. It's a big city. But actually, the vibe here is not so much city-like. It's more like the big great towns of India. Nice Shiva temple. The roof is in form of Shivlinga. So we are meeting the main highway to Gwalior here. So this road is kind of going through the meeting of two national parks. One is Kuno and other one is the local national park of Shivpuri. And there is one peculiar thing about this road they are making. So this road is going to give passage for animals to go to one national park from another national park. Anyway, animals don't know this is what national park this is. They just want to roam in the jungle. So what they gonna do, they are making this road very soundproof. You can see the soundproofing thing they are putting, and then animals will be able to pass through this corridor and they will not hear the sound of vehicles passing as well. So this is very good initiative by Indian government. Pretty late, but still there है, दुरुस्त है. So these are two national parks, one on the right and one on the left. Beautiful sky today. Look at that. अमर नदी ऑलरेडी मर चुकी है. कितनी कम है ये. पिछले 35 दिनों से हम कंटिन्यूसली राइड कर रहे हैं और जैसा कि इसका मीटर बता रहा है नियारा, देखते इधर पेट्रोल मिलता है क्या. ये देखे तो बहुत, अभी तक मैंने नियारा पे भराया नहीं पेट्रोल. बंदा एक ही है क्या इनके पास? अच्छा, 7 लीटर 109.78 की रेट से 768.46 का. कौन सी जगह है ये?
Pashpara.
So got the fuel done. Now getting the air checked. The first time I'm getting my air checked, I mean of my motorcycle. Last 36 days. अब पता नहीं यार, मैं भारत घूम रहा हूँ, वहाँ अलग अलग पैसे मिलते हैं मेरे को हर जगह.
4, 6, 1 का लिखा.
दिलबाग पान मसाला. तो मध्य प्रदेश में आपको गुटखा खाने वाले लोग बहुत मिलेंगे। गुटखा इज बेसिकली अ मिक्सचर ऑफ बीटल नट एंड टोबैको। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रक। तो एक खूबसूरत सी जगह दिखी हमें, वो गांव दिख रहे हो उस पहाड़ के बिल्कुल बगल में, और ये बादल। तो यहाँ पे लिए कुछ शॉट्स जो आपने देखे, और शॉट्स लेने के लिए सिंस सूरज इस साइड था तो हमने अपनी गाड़ी का मुंह इस साइड कर दिया था। अभी फ़ोटो अच्छा है क्योंकि सूरज अगर पीछे हो तो आगे का क्लियर दिखता है। अगर मैं इस तरफ मुंह रखता तो ज़्यादा ही ब्राइट आता। So this is the USP of Madhya Pradesh, I guess. Cows and bulls on the road, on the highway road, because there are no fencing, of course. If they do the fencing, this will be solved. You know, this is the very first time we are seeing such clear sky in our trip, and I think this is because of the cold weather and less traffic on the highways of Madhya Pradesh. But what beautiful sky, I love it. श्री श्री 1008 इच्छा पूर्ण हनुमान जी मंदिर। देख रहे हो दोस्तों, जो भी इच्छा मांगोगे पूरी हो जाएगी। आ जाओ फिर फटाफट इस मंदिर में। अब ये देखो मज़ेदार चीज़, इस साइड की रोड अलग है, इस साइड की अलग है। ये आ गया घाटी गांव। घाटी में बसा हुआ है इसलिए घाटी गांव। वो देखो पहाड़ के ऊपर मंदिर। क्या हो गया भाई, चलते चलते बात नहीं करते। हाँ जी, अब बोलो। हैं? आगे लिखा है, फोटो ले लो। क्या खतरा हो जाता है चलते चलते बात करने में। ग्वालियर का ही हूँ मैं, देखना इसे है ना। ये हाईवे छोड़ के हम ग्वालियर सिटी की रोड में एंटर हो गए हैं। We will take the right via Jayarogi Hospital, which is the biggest government hospital in Gwalior city. And this is that road which I like really like the most in Gwalior, I can say, because there are a lot of monuments on this road, and I will show you all of them. Here you can have a famous kachori, but today I am not in the mood. On the left is Veer Savarkar Tal, Katora Tal. What the heck? I don't know, someone has put that road Veer Savarkar Tal, but this is Katora Tal, a small pond. Look at the flag, it is not flying. That building, I forgot what it is. Lakshmi Bai College, guys. So Maharani Lakshmi Bai College of Law I believe. On the right, there is place called as Chhatri, and in the front is the palace. Mr. Scindia.
जो भी युवक है
We will take the left. This is the famous Shiv temple of Gwalior, Achleshwar. And why they are called Achleshwar? Because when people try to move this shivling, they could not. So then they diverted the route of the road. That's why he's called Achleshwar. Let's have the famous Dada milk of Shankar Kulfi. तो हमने पिया दूध क्योंकि लग रही थी बहुत ज़्यादा भूख. So on my left is the old High Court. This is Jayendraganj, the main electronics market of Gwalior.
अभी इसका मड़गाड़ मंगवाया मैंने, ये वाला एक डिमांड आई थी अगला.
अच्छा,
सस्ता है वो, 300 रुपये का कुल ओरिजिनल.
तो जेन्युइनली.
हाँ 325 रुपये का.
आप वो भी तो बता रहे थे मेरे को, क्या एक और इसका कुछ सामान आप बस सस्ते में बता रहे.
डिस्प्लेट आई है, धीरे धीरे सामान आता है इसका भी. अभी वेल्डर ने अपनी वो हुई है जुगाड़, वो कह रहा भाई साहब मैं सब आइटम दूंगा, आप तो बोलो क्या चाहिए.
चलो आप बताना मेरे को इसका सामान और आएगा तो. वो प्रवीण भाई जिनसे बात हो रही थी. और अभी हम क्रॉस कर रहे हैं शिंदे की छावनी. दिस इज द ऑटोमोबाइल मार्केट ऑफ ग्वालियर. सो ऑन द राइट इज द फेमस गुरुद्वारा, एंड जस्ट बाय द गुरुद्वारा इज द जू where I had my first date. The Gwalior Fort on my left, and I wanted to show you this only. That's why I took this route. This fort is really famous and big, very very big. I have not seen it all. Every time I go there thinking that okay, this time I will see it all. But no man, you can't. You need a whole day for that. And this fort is also called Gibraltar of India. I don't know why, but they call it that. So now we are going back till Gurdwara, and from there we will take another road which goes via Moti Mahal. So on the right is also a famous spot of Gwalior. There is a name to this pond as well, I don't remember that. A lot of people come in. Today is Sunday, so you can see that it's crowded. But on weekdays you can also find some solas here. So people are also boating inside. We're going to be stopping here. Now we are moving towards Moti Mahal, which is on the right side, just by this lake. The gate you are seeing, in front of Moti Mahal. Nowadays it's an old palace. You can see that building, right? It's an old palace which is converted to government offices now. This is Sachin Tendulkar Marg, and now from here we will take this left going towards our home, which is very nearby now. I'm excited to see the reaction of my nephew Shikhar when he sees me. खुश रहो. हैं? क्यों? क्यों?